my equestrian friends, it's me, Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And it is December 18th, which means we're on day number 18 of opening windows. All right, now to find day number 18. Oh, this one's kind of popped open. I'm betting this is the one that the one product fell out of. Let's see. Is there anything in there? Nope. All right. Just for purposes, we'll put it in there. Oh, look, day number 18. Oh, but I pushed it in too far. Whatever could it be? Oh, so to go along with day number 17, which was the leader balsam, day number 18 is the leader combi. This is my favorite leather care item, leather cleaning item. You use this on all of your leather tack for cleaning. And on the package it says, Effol Leader Combi or Leather Combi nourishes substances by penetrating deeply into the leather fiber, making it tear-proof and supple. And it even removes stubborn dirt. It's made with special cleansing surfactants, which is basically a soap, and it has high quality nourishing substances inside of it. And this stuff is awesome for cleaning all of your tack. I use this on my saddles, I use it on my bridles, halters, basically anything leather, I will use this to clean with. And this little bottle, 50 milliliters, it may not seem like very much, but this stuff really goes a long way and it lasts a very long time, even if you're cleaning your tack after every ride, which we are all supposed to do. Do I always do that? No, not every time I ride, but I should. And just like the leader balsam, the leader combi, tiny little package, so these would fit great into a kit if you were going to a horse show or traveling, I guess, I don't know. And I know it's not advertised as this, but we have a leather sofa and this stuff works fantastic for cleaning our leather sofa. So if you have a leather sofa and you've never tried this, it works pretty good. I would say though, this is only for smooth leathers. I do have a double leather saddle. So my Voltaire Palm Beach saddle is like that tacky leather and this works fine on it. But I wouldn't use it like on suede or like if you had a Western saddle, a suede seat or a rough out saddle, I probably wouldn't use this on that. I'm not sure that it would be the greatest. But for my saddles and my bridles, it works really well. All right, so that is day number 18. And if this is the first time you've seen one of these videos of me opening up the windows from the Effol Equestrian Advent Calendar, you should really subscribe to my channel. I've been doing this every day now for 18 days. So go ahead and subscribe and then you'll know when I have a new video uploaded. Tomorrow is day number 19. It marks a record for me of how many videos I've uploaded in a row every single day. 19 videos. Well, today's 18, so I can't say 19 yet. But it's coming. It'll be out tomorrow, I promise. And I'll see you tomorrow with a new video.